Hi, my name is Lisa Mims, and I'm a fifth grade teacher in the Colonial School District in Newcastle, Delaware. I won drones. I won drones from Parrot Education, 8 drones. But my topic is not about the drones. My topic is about the impact that it had on my students, about the way my students were now given access to something they might not have been given access to. My students, who are considered a 48% reduced lunch school, now have drones, and they weren't just to play with. My students learned how to program the drones. My students began thinking about career opportunities that they can have because of the drones. This was huge. We need to give our students access, all of our students, access to these type of materials, STEM and STEAM, so that they can see beyond packets and worksheets and standardized tests. We need to give them the opportunity. I won drones, and my students won a lot more than that. Thank you.